The ability to use the M12 FUEL Hedge Trimmer with one hand is the key component. You know exactly where you're at. You can put it in a space that's as simple as 3 to 5 inches and have really good control over it.
Very nice, it's handheld. You can go in tight areas. Any intricate trimming, that would be perfect for. Anything in pot space, any eyelashes, anything you want to have a nice tight clean cut, that's perfect for it.
When you're cutting in tight spaces, to be able to have an extra hand free means the world to us.
Yeah, the M12 Hedge Trimmer, very powerful, very lightweight. I can go all day with it. It has enough power to get through smaller, woodier plants.
It definitely had enough power to trim just about any hedge up to about a ½ inch.
The speed of the cut, I think, is ideal.
It cuts very fast. The speed is very good.
I kind of felt like it was revolutionary, where it was such a new ideal product for a landscaper that focuses on detailed trimming. I thought it was a game changer.